That's domestic as
So what's up, YouTube? On this video, we got a little bit of a problem. Today is Friday, and we are supposed to be going to Carolina Motorsports Park for the NASA winter meltdown. But as you can see, there is no cage in the car. The car's all packed up. We're ready to go. Unfortunately, as I said in the last video, the angle of those seat belts is extremely wrong. You can't run NASA with those seat belts, or really, it's just not legal, right? The angle of the belts is incorrect. So we're gonna go up, and because of mishaps with I'll call them out, Rhodes race car chassis or whatever they are, they fabricated the cage. It took them more than a month to ship it. It is not here. Because of that, we're gonna go fabricate something. I would suggest not purchasing anything from Rhodes Race Car unless you have a lot of time. And obviously they don't know how to manage their workload, because I called them many times to make sure I'm okay for this event. But enough of talk. Let's get to, we're at the parts store, well, Home Depot right now. We're gonna get some bolts, and then we are going to go start fabbing a harness bar so we can get these belts in the right alignment. So full disclosure, I am not doing this fabrication myself. We are at my buddy's shop here. Longtime friend Roland runs a shop called Frank and Fab. So we'll see what we can do with him and see if we can get this done before about 2 o'clock, and let's have a good time fabbing up this roll bar. So yeah, hey, we're building this or whatever.
Yep, exactly.
That's Roland Ketchum, owner, operator, everything at Frank and Fab. He got this harness bar fabbed up, made sure all the angles were good, and we're about to tack it in and then finish it out. So a lot of good work here. Roland's a very busy man, as you can see by the size of the shop and by the size of the yard he runs. But essentially, getting it tacked in, gonna run the rest of the bars and tie out the straps, and then hopefully we'll be headed to CMP. All right, so as you can see, we got the bottom fabbed up, the top, everything's tacked together. So now it's time to pull it out and clean up these welds, put it back in, and get on our way. So we're gonna take that material and put it into that metal. Is that what we're gonna do, Roland?
We're gonna put metal into metal with a thing called TIG welding.
That's that thing over there, right?
I'm gonna throw an arc out of that. Gotta find that arcing thingamajiggy.
Is it fair to say you know what you're doing, Roland?
I'm trying. I do my best.
First time?
First time. First time I'm pimping this ride.
Okay, so we got the roll bar in, or the, not roll bar, but harness bar in. Check this thing out. Got the loops for the seat belt to ride through so it doesn't slide left and right. I mean, welds are basically perfect on it. This thing is way more intense than anything you can buy online. So that old homage, built not bought, it's definitely more fun. But thanks to Roland, thanks to Frankenfab, his company up here in Dahlonega, Georgia. But now it's time to fasten everything up and get rolling. We got to go over to CMP. So we are all done getting the car prepped. Nothing like waiting till the last minute. We are en route on I-85 to Kershaw, South Carolina to go run at a NASA event at Carolina Motorsports Park. We got our harness bar. Man, this thing, I can't say enough at how good of a job was done on this thing. So that's gonna do it for this video. I know a little short, but the next video will be a lot of action. We'll be at Carolina Motorsports Park racing, and we'll see some hot laps. We'll see if we can better our times from the previous year. So stick along, enjoy, subscribe below. Thank you guys for watching.